Blender 2.8's new render engine Eevee has a ton of hype around it. But if you're new to real-time rendering, it might be a little bit overwhelming. It might even be a little underwhelming, and that's totally okay. In this course, I'm going to give you an overview of the new toolset that Eevee brings us. You're going to end with a great understanding of the strengths and weaknesses that Eevee has, and I'm going to give you a ton of tips along the way, talking about how to design around Eevee's weaknesses, and how to get the best results with what it has to offer. If you're familiar with working in Blender, this course is going to give you a deep dive into the intricacies of production in Eevee. No matter the type of project you're planning, this course is going to give you the means to get there. So come take a look over on CG Cookie.